Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to announce the winner of my Breast Cancer Awareness Month collab giveaway challenge. I don't know what you call it. It wasn't a challenge, but I was doing a giveaway. You had to leave the secret word, which was Shaka. I'm not going to show you everything that was in this box, but the playlist will be in the link in the description box below. So you can see what I've made and added to this box. Plus there's extras. So whoever wins it, maybe they want to share when they unbox it. I don't know. But in any case, I have added the URL to the YouTube comment picker, random comment picker. I want to... Oh yeah, so the word was Shaka, S-H-A-K-A. That's it. So let's see. Filter base on. And this was S-H. Oh. S-H-A-K-A. Done. Okay. So let's get YouTube comments. 17. And let's start the random picker. Good luck. Woohoo! So the winner is Heidi Lentz. Shaka. This purse is so cute. Love the tassel, buckle, and pockets. I've enjoyed these last 5 weeks. They have been so inspiring and informative. Thank you so much for sharing with us. Oh, congratulations, Heidi. So if you can comment below, my email will be in the description box below. If you could email me your mailing address, I would love to get this package out to you. So congratulations, Heidi. Thank you for being a subby. So I am going to confirm that she is a subby, a visual subscriber of my channel. If she is not, I will be back to draw another winner. But until then, congratulations, Heidi. I hope you are a visual subscriber. And for more videos like these, please like and subscribe. I am announcing another winner for my 500 subby thankful giveaway that I'm hosting throughout the month at various times. And those winners will be called out tomorrow. Or winner. And until my next video, Shakas!